Imagine for a moment a cosmos so vast that it encompasses not just our own universe, but an infinite number of universes, each with its own set of physical laws and constants. Welcome to the Curious Culture Club, where we explore the most intriguing theories of the cosmos. Today we dive into the concept of the multiverse. This is not just a flight of fancy or a sci-fi trope. The multiverse is a serious proposition within the realm of theoretical physics and cosmology. It's an idea that suggests the existence of a multitude of universes, or multiverse, beyond the one we inhabit. Each of these universes could have its own unique set of physical laws and constants, some remarkably similar to ours, others wildly different. The multiverse hypothesis is a game-changer, a paradigm shift that expands our perception of reality from a single universe to a vast cosmic landscape teeming with endless possibilities. Now that we've set the stage, let's dive into the theories that suggest the existence of the multiverse. One of the most fascinating propositions comes from the quantum realm, called the many-worlds interpretation. This theory, born from the mind-bending world of quantum mechanics, posits that every time a quantum event happens, the universe splits into multiple versions, each representing a different outcome of that event. Let's take the simple act of flipping a coin. In our everyday experience, the coin lands as either heads or tails, but in the quantum world, both outcomes exist simultaneously until observed. According to the many-worlds interpretation, when the coin is flipped, the universe splits into two, one where the coin lands as heads, another where it lands as tails. This theory suggests that for every decision you make, for every event with multiple outcomes, a new universe is created representing each possible outcome. So your choices, every quantum event, could be creating an infinite number of parallel universes. So every choice you make, every quantum event could lead to the creation of a new universe. Intriguing, isn't it? But quantum mechanics is not the only field proposing the existence of multiple universes. Let's venture into the realm of cosmology and string theory. Imagine a massive cosmic foam, ever expanding and filled with bubbles. Each bubble is a universe unto itself, with its own set of physical laws and constants. This is the idea behind the inflationary multiverse model. Universes form like bubbles in boiling water, popping into existence and growing as they take in energy from the cosmic foam. Our universe may just be one bubble among countless others in this cosmic foam, but the rabbit hole goes even deeper with string theory. Picture a universe not as a bubble, but as a brain, or membrane existing in higher dimensions. Each brain could be a distinct universe, floating in a higher dimensional space. This is where the concept of brain worlds comes into play. According to string theory, our familiar three dimensions could be just a tiny slice of a much larger, multi-dimensional reality. The existence of additional spatial dimensions could lead to the possibility of parallel universes existing on separate brains. So could there be another universe just a hair's breadth away from ours, hidden in an extra dimension? Could there be another version of you living a slightly different life in that universe? These theories, while complex, open up a world, or should we say, worlds, of possibilities. Now to the big question, are there infinite versions of you in the multiverse? As we delve into this profound inquiry, let's first acknowledge the uncertainty. The multiverse concept indeed suggests the existence of infinite variations, but the probability of identical copies of oneself existing in separate universes is not a definitive yes or no. It's a tantalizing maybe. Consider this. In a realm of infinite possibilities, every choice you've made, every turn you've taken, every chance encounter, all these could have unfolded differently in another universe. There could be a version of you who became an astronaut, a rock star, or a Nobel laureate. There could even be a version of you who never existed at all. But here's where things get really interesting. If these alternate versions of you do exist, what does that mean for our understanding of self and identity? Are they truly you, or are they distinct individuals, shaped by different circumstances and experiences? How do we reconcile this with our deeply ingrained sense of uniqueness and individuality? These are not merely idle musings, but profound philosophical questions that can reshape our understanding of reality and our place in it. While the multiverse remains a fascinating and speculative idea, the question of infinite versions of oneself in the multiverse remains open to interpretation and further scientific exploration. Until next time, stay curious. Wow, we've just journeyed through some mind-bending concepts. If you enjoyed this trip across the multiverse, Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us here at the Curious Culture Club. We'd love to hear your thoughts on these fascinating theories. Which concept fascinated you more? The many worlds interpretation where every decision splits the universe into a myriad of possibilities? Or the bubble universes theory where universes are born from the fluctuation of empty space in an eternal cosmic foam? And what about the possibility of infinite versions of you? Does that notion excite you, terrify you, or both? We're really curious to hear your thoughts. Do you believe in the existence of a multiverse? Could there be a version of you out there, living a completely different life? And how does this affect your understanding of self and identity? Share your thoughts, theories, and even your doubts in the comments below. Let's get a dialogue going. Remember, the more we question, the more we learn. Stay curious, folks, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring the infinite possibilities of the universe, and maybe, just maybe, you'll stumble upon another version of you.